Cody's Roadies. We're back with another motorcycle adventure. Gas station, twerk break, keep your back loose. Did you know that Ronald McDonald has a house? And he actually helps a lot of families. In this episode, we're riding down to San Diego to find out just exactly what that crazy clown has been up to, other than slinging cheeseburgers. Hey, it's Cody. You know me from Easy Riders Magazine and the TV show Mayans MC. But more than just a butt on TV, this butt is riding the Iron Pony with my Iron Puppy Chopper. Together, we're on a mission to raise money for our favorite dog rescue while forging new friendships along the way. Get ready to shift gears and change lives. Good morning, it's 7 a.m. and we are getting ready to head to San Diego. Jigger is convinced that he can bungee better than I can. For the record, I have been riding motorcycles longer and mansplaining man over here. I'm really excited because we're gonna go see my Uncle Pat and Aunt Debbie. They have a house up there and they are putting together a charity ride. And so we're gonna go do this charity poker ride. I'm so tired. This is the trick to not getting gas on your bike. Whoa, use your gas cap. We're leaving early enough so that we miss the traffic. We're taking the 101 to the 5 and cruising along the coast. I'm already really excited to see my family, but Uncle Pat said he has a surprise for us, so let's find out what it is. Our friend Moose traded in his Indian today. What did you trade in again? What was your old one?
I traded the Challenger, the 22 Indian Challenger Limited.
I've never noticed the squareness of the. Yeah.
Yeah.
The other one didn't have the lower.
Exactly.
After admiring Moose's new bike, Uncle Pat surprised us with homemade mugs.
So we're just gonna pick a spot where we think it'll look nice.
This is so cool. Slide it in.
Pull the handle up.
Pull the handle up.
All the way till it locks.
All the way till it locks.
Okay, and then press this button over here.
This way?
Yep. Boop. And now you think about it. The handle's not bad. Okay, so
Ooh,
then
it's
what
steaming.
we can do.
Your mug is almost done. Whoa! That's so cool. What do you think?
Hey.
Excited? Yeah. Cool. Thanks, Uncle Pat. Look at that. It's the morning of the poker run, and I'm enjoying a little coffee out of Jigger's new mug. I think he's outside getting the bikes ready. The weatherman said it was supposed to be 95 and sunny, but it's actually really foggy and hard to see, and we're gonna be riding twisties, and just kidding. Go! Let's go! We're here at the Ronald McDonald Charity. We're about to do a poker run with Pinky. Ronald McDonald House is really cool because they supply 3 meals a day, housing, and medical care for families. I heard some really heart-touching stories earlier. Tons of bikes showed up, a lot of people from different hog chapters. There's a lot of Indian motorcycles, which is weird. We don't really get that in LA. Oh my gosh, look, it's Ronald now! Oh no, wait! It's Uncle Pat! Can you tell us a little bit about what we're doing here?
Well, this is what we call a poker run. So a bunch of motorcyclists get together and we ride. This ride is going to be about 90 miles long. We're going to go out through our East County area and at 4 different stops out on the route. They'll reach in a bag and pull a card out, playing card. When they're done with that, that card will be transferred to a piece of paper. And then when they get back here to the house, we play poker with what they've drawn out there. Yeah, we do this every year, and every year it gets bigger and bigger and better and better.
All right, let's go get some more raffle tickets. Come on.
Ready?
Alright, we're about to get our first card for the poker run. I hope I get a good one. I don't even know what a good one is.
Okay, so everybody's drawing 6 today, but you only draw 1 now.
Okay.
On the road, you draw your other 4, and then when you come back, you get to draw 1.
Perfect.
So go ahead and take your first draw.
This one.
Oh, Queen of Hearts.
Queen of
How many
Hearts.
women have pulled the Queen of Hearts already?
Queen of Hearts. Okay.
Oh, it's in this right here. Oh, a king.
Oh, wait, we got King and Queen. Okay. Alrighty, we're getting some raffle tickets for all those cool prizes over there. Yay! Thank you so much. You're welcome. Ooh, we get to choose where we go put them. Alright, we're gonna pick out where we're gonna put our raffle tickets we got. Hello. A chainsaw? I feel like I could have a lot of fun with that. 120th anniversary Harley Davidson backpack with blanket, hat, poker chips, and cup. Count me in.
How many tickets are in there?
I had 5.
In a strip.
5.
How many in a strip?
I don't know. 7. I don't know. I'm just gonna put them all in here because I love Harley Davidson branded stuff. Because I'm a cheesy old lady. Made it to Montgomery Park. It's the first stop, and time to draw another card. 8.
Oh, hey!
Yeah. Time to go to location 2. We skipped stop number 2. We'll throw that in at the end of the video. Alright, stop number 3. Oh, we got a queen. We just rode a bunch of twisties. This was definitely the funnest part of the ride so far. We're doing pretty good so far. I've got 2 queens. Always gotta have lots of snacks to keep your energy up. Also, this is the good kind of hay. It's all green and stuff. Bet the cows like it. Moo! Come on. That's far. Okay, let's try it. I've never thrown a horseshoe before. Let's see how good Jig Master Flex is. No, you did not! What? We've got witnesses. This was not Photoshopped.
I know.
I still can't believe Jigger hit that ringer on the first try. Now back on the road to draw our next card. This is actually stop number 2. And now stop number 4. What are those? Are these juice shots? 93 days sober, baby. Cheers to an awesome ride. Oh, it's like pineapple juice and soda water? Yeah. Okay, we're heading back to the Ronald McDonald House to draw our last card and hopefully win some prizes.
Which hand you playing first? This one?
This one.
Okay.
A king.
That's the card I wanted.
Oh no.
It was indeed an exciting morning, but thank you for all you do to help support our Home Away from Home as we care for families who have a child in the hospital. It's great, absolutely great to have you with us.
So thank you to everyone for participating in this event and for your unwavering commitment to this program. It means so much to us and the families here at RMH. Again, thank you so much.
I'm your hub member, so when you get older, you can come back here and do the poker ride with everybody else, okay? Thank you very much.
What an absolutely amazing day at the Ronald McDonald House. I was pooped from riding, but my heart was so full. We didn't win any raffles, but I bought a sweatshirt to commemorate the day. Thank you to Uncle Pat and Aunt Debbie for organizing such an amazing event, and these kids for being so brave and truly an inspiration for all of us. If you'd like to donate to the Ronald McDonald House Charity, go to rmhc.org. Tune in next week for another motorcycle adventure. Thanks so much for watching. Smash that like and subscribe button and comment where we should ride to next. Let's shift gears, change lives.